afternoon, welcome. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is Breaking Ground and I'm Hina Gambhir. A day after the vice presidential election, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi revives the vote chori raga. Is it political desperation or a calculated strategy ahead of the assembly polls? That's the debate on Breaking Ground. In our segment Deep Dive, we will tell you all about the 30,000 crore inheritance feud. Why are industrialist Sanjay Kapoor's ex-wife's kids in court against his wife Priya Kapoor? And we'll tell you about the new twist, Portuguese citizenship twist, that has also now emerged. And India's Asia Cup campaign begins against UAE today. This is the first major T20 tournament without Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. Will Sky lead Team India to new heights? We ask the public in our Janta's Take segment. Viewers, they say if you repeat a lie often enough, people will sooner or later believe it. Is that the poll strategy of Rahul Gandhi and the Vipaksh to defeat the Bharatiya Janata Party in the upcoming assembly polls? We are saying this because Rahul Gandhi's answer to every question these days seems to be his war cry. Vote chori, vote chor, gaddi chor. You ask him about PM's visit to China, his answer is vote chor, gaddi chor. We asked him about cross-voting in vice presidential polls. His answer was same, vote chor, gaddi chor. Watch it to believe it.
Any word on vice president polls? Any word on vice?
Vote chor, gaddi chor. Vote chor, gaddi chor. Vote chor, gaddi chor.
Sir, you think this is also a vote chori, sir?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, 100%.
Now, this, viewers, clearly is more ammunition for the BJP, which says Rahul Gandhi has lost his mental balance. Congress netas, on the other hand, are backing Rahul Gandhi. However, several parties in the Vipaksh are not in agreement. Listen in.
वोट चोरी का तो पता नहीं, पर राहुल जी ये बताए कि क्या कांग्रेस का दिमाग चोरी हो चुका है। अब राहुल जी बोलते हैं कि जो क्रॉस वोटिंग हुई है, या जिसे कहा जा सकता है वोट ऑफ कॉन्शियंस हुआ है वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन में, वो भी वोट चोरी है। राहुल जी कहाँ रुकेगा आपका ये प्रोपेगेंडा? आपने तो कहा था, जयराम रमेश ने कहा था, ऑपोजिशन यूनाइटेड है, 325 वोट आने वाले हैं, बैटल ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी है। अब आपकी बैटल ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी में, आपकी ऑपोजिशन यूनिटी में कितना बड़ा प्रश्न चिन्ह है, ये तो आपके ही सांसदों ने साबित कर दिया। उन्होंने राधाकृष्णन जी को वोट दे दिया और उन्होंने बता दिया कि जो आपका प्रत्याशी, आपका कैंडिडेट है, वो राष्ट्रवादी नहीं, वो सपोर्टर ऑफ नक्सलवादी है।
Definitely the BJP government using the Election Commission of India to do this special intensive revision to delete some votes. As Rahul Gandhi ji said that BJP is capable of doing anything to safeguard the power, to keep themselves in power, because that is the overconfidence you can clear.
राहुल गांधी ने जो बात किया प्रेसिडेंट आफ्टर वाइस प्रेसिडेंशियल जो चुनाव हो गई, उसके बाद में वोट चोरी के बारे में, गद्दी चोरी के बारे में, ये देखिए, हाँ मानता हूं कि बहुत सारे इश्यूज है, लेकिन अभी जो पार्लियामेंट का जो मेंबर है, इनका ऊपर जो वोट, राज्यसभा लोकसभा का जो वोट है, इस वोट अगर क्रॉस वोटिंग करे तो बहुत दुख की बात है। इसमें वोट किसको कौन चोरी करेगा? ये सब है, एक एक एमपी है, एक मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, राज्यसभा का हो या अपर हाउस को या लोअर हाउस को, ये भी एक एक पार्लियामेंट है। इनका वोट कैसे चोरी हो सकता है? मेरा ख्याल ये है, ये जो हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग हुआ है, इसका बारे में जो वोट, जो एमपी का वोट चोरी होगा, मैं ये विश्वास नहीं करता हूं कि एमपी का वोट चोरी हुआ है।
And joining us on this debate this evening are my guests. We have Siddharth Yadav, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Dr. Akashdeep Muni, who is a political analyst, is also live with us. Good evening to both of you gentlemen. Dr. Akashdeep Muni, I want to begin by asking you, what is happening? Has Rahul Gandhi run out of ideas, or this is a well thought out, calculated strategy of Rahul Gandhi, of the opposition ahead of the assembly elections, that you keep pushing this narrative, vote chor, gaddi chor, even if you're asked about something else, you just say vote chor, gaddi chor?
Today in Raebareli, when your journalist asked Rahul Gandhi, there were scores of BJP people shouting slogans beside his car. He asked about vice president election. Your journalist, Rahul, replied with that he wasn't able to hear. Then
He
the
didn't say
journalist
that
asked
I'm not
again,
able to hear. He didn't say that. Do you want me to play that again?
Hina, again, you are not hearing. If you hear me for 30 seconds, you will also understand.
I am patiently listening. I'm trying to get an answer from you. I
kindly-
gave
kindly
you all
listen.
the time
Kindly
because
listen.
you were wrong
Give
at
me time.
a particular point. So I thought I should clarify. If you want me to play that soundbite, I can do that also for you.
Play it, let people listen to.
Okay, let's
Let-
play.
let me-
Okay. Before you respond, then Dr. Akashdeep Muni, let's once again, viewers, listen in to what exactly happened when Times Now's Adib asked a pointed question and how Rahul Gandhi responded. Listen.
Sir, any word on Vice President Polkar? Any word on Vice?
वोट चोर गद्दी छोड़ वोट चोर गद्दी छोड़ वोट चोर गद्दी छोड़
Sir, you think that this is also a vote chori?
100%.
Dr. Akashdeep Muni, I hope this has brought some clarity.
Hina ji, very nicely edited, but I'll let you know, I've seen the original clip. And listen to me 30 seconds without
Nicely
interruption.
edited. What are you trying to say?
अरे भाई सुन लीजिए ना 30 सेकंड बिना रुकावट के।
चलिए
मैं ये
बताइए।
बोल रहा हूँ, हाँ मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि जब इन्होंने पूछा तो उन्होंने पूछा है, and then he repeated again about election. Then Rahul said that it's vote chor gaddi chhod all around Uttar Pradesh. Listen to it again, not this edited
He didn't
clip,
say all
actual clip.
around Uttar Pradesh. Now you
You-
are
I
adding
will- I will
words
prove
there.
it.
He did not say
I will prove
all
it.
around Uttar Pradesh.
Chalo.
And come on, you can't
Should
say
I
we
play-
have
should I
edited it.
play
I'm
your-
sorry. We have only tried to show to our viewers what happened on the ground. A pointed question
You are
was
lying.
asked.
Hina, you are lying.
I am lying.
You are lying. I'll prove it.
Okay,
Yes.
prove it. Prove it,
This is-
Dr. Akashdeep Muni. It's very convenient to target the
Okay.
channel, very convenient to target the anchor when you do not have any questions, when you do not have any direct answers.
This is your Twitter handle. I'm playing.
करिए play.
I'm playing. Listen.
सर ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay.
बटन
Please,
दबाना पड़ेगा
please.
प्ले करने के लिए.
नहीं बटन दबाया है. आप प्लीज दोबारा सुनिए. वहां पे वो क्लियरली बोलते हैं कि वोट चोर गद्दी छोड़, एंड देन ही अगेन स्टेट्स दैट वोट चोर गद्दी छोड़ इट्स ऑल अराउंड उत्तर प्रदेश.
Okay.
प्लीज प्ले द एक्चुअल क्लिप.
Okay. So you are saying, so what is it that you are trying to say, Dr. Akashdeep Muni? आपके पास प्रूफ तो है नहीं कुछ दिखाने के लिए, तो आप ये बता दीजिए कि आप कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं.
मैं ये बता रहा हूँ कि राहुल गांधी was not speaking regarding the VP election. When he said that vote chor gaddi chor. Secondly, vote chor gaddi chor is a war cry against corruption in this country. BJP has made many government through vote chor gaddi vote chori. Remember Operation Lotus, Karnataka 2019, Congress JDS coalition had a clear majority of 116 seats. BJP conducted Operation Lotus, 17 MLA resigned.
Okay.
And then again BJP government formed. Madhya Pradesh 2020, Congress won 114 seats. In 2018, BJP got 109. But
Okay.
in March 2020, 22 Congress resigned and BJP returned to power. Maharashtra 2022, Maharashtra 2023, Goa
Okay.
2017. I can go
Okay,
on.
I think you've made your point. You've given us a response that you came prepared with on this particular debate. I want to go across to Siddharth Yadav as well, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. You heard what Dr. Akashdeep Muni had to say. Of course, he has a compulsion in a way to defend whatever Rahul Gandhi is saying, even though some of his own allies seem to disagree with what Rahul Gandhi had said. But here, Dr. Akashdeep Muni, despite listening to that conversation again, is of the view that he was not really referring to the cross-voting that has happened. When my colleague specifically asked about cross-voting, about vice presidential election, and Rahul Gandhi said 100%. How will you like to respond?
No, Hina, I think it's definitely a compulsion for any Congress supporter or spokesperson to defend, and I think it's a very difficult job that they do, because it must be very difficult for anybody to defend a person like Rahul Gandhi. One person who has lost his mental balance, who would come out and say anything and everything, and then people have to sit on television channels and say, no, he has said this because of this, that because Rahul Gandhi doesn't know, that because the Congress leadership doesn't know. But that because is being explained by people like Akash ji and others, I'm sure it's a very difficult task. But what Rahul Gandhi is saying today and what the kind of narrative, the kind of propaganda that he is trying to run, I think it is very dangerous for our democracy. When a leader of his stature, he comes out and says on a question that a reporter asks that is the vice president election also rigged, and he says 100%. What does he imply to say? What does he want to say? This is dangerous. This is beyond political, generality. This is beyond the normal sense of politics. This is a leader who has been given the responsibility, an important responsibility of being the leader of opposition, who has lost the balance, who has lost the faith of the people, who has lost the faith in himself. The party has lost the faith in him, and that is why he wishes to go on and on in the bubble that he has built for himself. I think someone has to go and pop the bubble. The vice president election happened in the most fair manner. The entire Congress party and everybody says so. There's not even a question of it getting rigged or anything like that. NDA had clear majority. That majority was reflected in the results, and the election happened. But this shows the seriousness of Rahul Gandhi. This shows the seriousness of his claims of vote chori, because those claims are also, they lie flat whenever it is convenient for Rahul Gandhi. Now, Akashdeep ji, I'll just take 10 more seconds. Akashdeep ji will quote instances when BJP formed government having lesser numbers. Why don't you quote instances when 6 MLAs of AIMIM were won in Bihar and you took all of them? You made all of them resign from their party and you made them join? When you have to form governments and you have to get anybody from anywhere, it's not a vote chori. I think the Congress party and its leaders should come out of their bubble, take the seriousness, take charge of what they are saying and doing, and stop doing this thing which is very dangerous for our democracy.
Okay, Dr. Akashdeep Muni, now that's the view coming in from the BJP that this is nothing but indulging in fear mongering. There is no proof, but a narrative, a deliberate attempt is being made to push a particular narrative ahead of elections, because you have platforms available to take these issues. That's not happening. What is being done that in political rallies, just these slogans are being given to, create, some kind of fear in the minds of the voters that everything is wrong in this country. Whatever the election commission does is incorrect. That's vote chori happening. So much so that when vice presidential elections happened, which happened with ballot papers, not even EVMs, even that is being seen as vote chori by Congress party and Rahul Gandhi.
देखिए हिना जी, I will say that Siddharth Yadav is doing a great job because मैंने तो सच बोला है. झूठ बोलना टेलीविजन पे
आपने क्या सच बोला है? चलिए यही बता दीजिए, क्योंकि हम अभी भी वेट कर रहे हैं. कौन से सच की आप बात कर रहे हैं?
क्या है कि ना कि और ऊपर से आप याद है आपको गोवा का 2017?
नहीं, आप मुझे गोवा 2017 पे मत जाइए, कल की बात करिए. वाइस प्रेसिडेंट का इलेक्शन हुआ. 1 second, Dr. Akashdeep Muni, we can have number of debates on what happened in 2017, 16, 15, 14, some other time. But today I want to talk to you about the vice presidential election that happened in the country. The leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha says there was vote chori. Your own allies are saying, kaha ki vote chori? This was a transparent thing. How can you call it vote chori? Is it not fear mongering?
See, Hinaji, viewers are watching. You are interrupting me in every 5 seconds.
Because you are taking me to 2017. I want to talk to you about what happened yesterday. Do you have an answer? You have full 1 minute. Please respond.
Let me see. You give me 1 minute. I am pessimistic. But I will tell you one thing, that he was not talking about vice president election. He was talking about what is happening in Uttar Pradesh. He has named it. You can go on your own Twitter handle, listen to it carefully. And he said the word that it is happening all around Uttar Pradesh. But I will be telling you regarding vote chori, why he is raising it, because in Goa 2017, the total seats won by Congress were 17. BJP won 13 seats. You brought out, your channel brought out the final numbers. Yet BJP made the government, breaking Congress and doing horse trading. This is an example of vote chori. An election commission brought out the numbers. The Congress didn't. So my point is that it happened in Madhya Pradesh, it happened in Maharashtra, it happened in Goa, and it will be happening in future also. It is the right of the opposition party to oppose and put the things in perspective in front of the people and let the people judge that who is right, who is wrong.
I gave you full 60 seconds, Dr. Akashdeep Muni. I did not interrupt you, but I will like to say one thing to you here. Of course, it is opposition's duty to raise questions of the government, of the institutions in this country if things are not happening the way they should happen. But they should be taken to, proper platforms that are available as well. EC has been writing to Rahul Gandhi, to Congress party, asking them to come and meet the EC officials, bring the proof that they have. Hasn't happened so far. Rahul Gandhi himself hasn't responded at all. That's point number one. Point number two is that these kind of statements without any proof do create fear in the minds of the people. If every time an election happens and the opposition loses and somebody from the opposition comes up and says there was vote chori, what is the message that's being sent to the people of this country is another aspect that even people of this country today are asking. I'm completely out of time, but thank you very much, both of you gentlemen, Dr. Akashdeep Muni and Siddharth Yadav. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now.